NewsNation has learned the Biden administration is expected to appeal a federal ruling to end Title 42.
That pandemic-era policy blocks migrants from seeking asylum in the U.S. as a public health concern. The administration says it would be replaced by a new regulation. Border officials predict a record surge of migrants will cross the border without the policy in place. Last month, a judge from the DOJ delayed the end of Title 42, and as of now, it will expire December 21st.
And of course, the situation at the border is impacting a lot of states outside of Texas and Arizona. It's now impacting Denver. Groups of migrants have been showing up, and city officials say they don't know how they got there. The last group of nearly 100 people arrived Tuesday on a bus, and authorities say they're getting mixed messages. The immigrants are now overflowing local shelters, and emergency housing is being put in place because they just simply don't have the facilities to accommodate that many people coming at once.
And they didn't know they were coming. That doesn't help either. At the U.S.-Mexico border, 3 agencies have joined forces to track down and apprehend people crossing into the U.S. illegally. Allie Bradley joins us live from the border state of Arizona with more on their mission. Good morning, Allie.
Yeah, hi, good morning, you guys. So 14 Texas Department of Public Safety troopers are now working in the Rio Grande Valley alongside Texas National Guard and also Border Patrol agents. And this is a first of its kind specialized joint operation that is in conjunction with Texas Governor Greg Abbott's Operation Lone Star.
We are sending a message.
An early morning operation.
That we do have extra manpower that's working with Border Patrol.
The mission?
We are going to apprehend these individuals.
Tracking, detecting, and apprehending undocumented individuals in the Rio Grande Valley. Lieutenant Chris Oliveira says Texas Department of Public Safety troopers, the Texas National Guard, and Border Patrol are aiming to stop human smugglers and prevent high-speed chases.
They're seeing all these different challenges, trying to apprehend gotaways, trying to apprehend and focus on families that are coming across, human smuggling, and also now dealing with drones incursions that we're seeing.
Lieutenant Oliveira says the pilot program started because Border Patrol is stretched extremely thin, with only 2 agents to cover several miles of border. And the number of undocumented people attempting to evade law enforcement continues to climb. DHS sources confirm a record 73,000 people successfully evaded law enforcement along the border last month.
We've made an impact, just in a small area that we've been working.
More than 50 migrants have been apprehended under this joint operation, which started on Monday.
We're able to make these apprehensions where otherwise there wouldn't be manpower there. These would be gotaways.
So Lieutenant Oliveira tells me that this program so far has been a success, that the Texas Department of Public Safety will continue to create and implement these specialized teams and task forces in areas that it's needed. They said as long as the Border Patrol needs supplemental manpower out there, they're going to continue to be out there assisting them. They said that they will likely be out there again next month, you guys.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.